Hey everyone, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can swap faces using Canva. Yes, you heard right. Canva isn't just for making social media graphics or presentations. You can also use it to create cool and hilarious face swaps with just a few simple steps. So whether you are making fun edits, creative marketing materials, or unique designs, this trick will come in handy. And the best part is that you don't even need to have an extensive design skill to use this tool. So if you're ready to learn how to swap faces effortlessly, let's jump right in. To get started, I need to get a blank page. I'll be using this dimension, the presentation dimension for this. Go to elements to get my images. I want to use an image. I'll be using this image, these two images here. Let me position them properly. And then this one, resize it. All right. Now we'll head over to apps to get the app we need for this. It is called Reface. I recently used this so I can find it here. But if you want to search for it, just type Reface. That's the name of the app, Reface. Here it is. So I'll choose an image. Let me get this one selected. This one will be the original image. I'll select it, use selected image. And I'll scroll down, select this one, click on use selected image. So you need two images for the swap. Then click on swap face. So here is an instruction for best results. Use clear front facing photos. So as you can see, I used the photos I'm using are front facing. So for you to get the best result, you need to use photos that are facing front, just like these ones. So I'll click on swap faces. So here I have it. This is a swapped face. I need to take this to another page so you can see it clearly. So this is what it looks like after swapping. So it's a very simple process. Let me collapse this. It's a very simple process. Just add two images like this and then use the Reface app to reface it. So Canva isn't just for social media designs. There's much more you can do with Canva. And the longer you stick with me on this channel, the more you get exposed to the capabilities of Canva. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet. Also ensure to like if you found value in this video, and of course share, comment, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can get notified. Thank you so much, and it's a bye.